Why do big waves sometimes come out of nowhere and make a mess? Well, deep in the ocean, the ground shakes or a volcano erupts, pushing water up high. This makes a giant wave called a tsunami. It travels super fast, like a race car, and when it reaches land, it splashes everywhere, causing trouble. But here's the twist: fish think it's a fun ride. They get to see new places, like underwater tourists. So, while tsunamis can be scary for us, fish might just be having the adventure of their lives.